Clipping mask. There is one more variety of mask available. This is known as the clipping mask. Let us see how to use this mask via a demonstration. For the clipping mask, we need two layers. The bottom layer decides on the visibility of the top layer. This means that the bottom layer is the mask, and according to its own area, the lower layer masks the upper layer as per the text and shapes on it. Now observe. We will draw a shape on the layer. On the second layer, add an image. To add the image to the shape on the first layer, select the layer which contains the image. Keep this layer above the layer that contains the shape. Right-click on the layer and select the command Clipping Mask, or select the command Clipping Mask from the Layer menu. Or you can also use the shortcut key Alt plus Ctrl plus G. You will observe that your image is now fit in the shape. You can fit the image in the text tool. Type the text using the Type tool. Drag the image. Keep the image above the layer Type layer. Right-click on the image layer and select the command Clipping Mask. You will observe that the image is now seen in the text. You can also change the clipping mask on the layer to Layer Mask. To do so, select the Type layer. To select the text, select the option Load Selection from the Select menu, or press the Ctrl key and click on the thumbnail. You will observe that the text is now selected. Now select the layer containing the clipping mask. But to do so, we will have to release it from the clipping mask. Else, if its visibility is off, then the objects on the layer will not be visible. To do so, right-click on the layer next to the mask and select the command Release Clipping Mask. Now, even when the image visibility is off, or when the text layer is deleted, the merged layer can be seen. Mask selection. We have selected a section of the image and applied a layer mask on it. Now let us make a selection on the area of the image that is not visible. Right-click on the mask thumbnail and select the command Add Mask to Selection. Now the area which we have selected will get added to the masked part. If we click on Subtract from Selection, then the mask selection will be removed. If we select Intersect Mask from Selection, then only the common area between the selection on the invisible part and the mask selection will remain. Paste into. Paste into is also a part of mask. Let us now use it and see. Add another layer to an image that already has a layer mask. Create a rectangle selection on it and fill it with color. Open an image. Using the key Ctrl plus A, select it completely. Now using the key Ctrl plus C, copy it. Now select the Shapes layer and using the Paste Special command from Edit menu, paste it using the Paste Into option. You will now see the image in the selected shapes. Let us now resize it. You will notice that the mask is visible on it in the image layer. When we move using the Move tool, only the mask is moved. However, if the mask layer and shapes layer are selected together and moved, then both of them will move together.